Hi, musicians. My last video was a little grumpy, so I needed to bring out the Santa hat to get me in the mood for this one. So I'm going to do a little recorder tutorial. If you have a recorder at your home, you can do this tutorial to learn how to play Jingle Bells. If you don't have a recorder at home, it's not really going to be much help to you. That's why it says optional. If you have one, I'm going to help you learn how to play Jingle Bells. We use 5 notes. It's all using our left hand. I'm going to play it for you, and then I'll teach you how to do it. All right, that's Jingle Bells. Like I said, it's all with your left hand. We're gonna have to learn a few notes that some of you might not know yet though. So I'm gonna show you. This page is also available on Canvas, I believe, on the 5th grade Canvas. You're going to see, I have it right now. I'm using the sheet music. You're going to see some things that you might remember, you might have seen before, you might not have done though. So this is what I can read when I look at it. But I'm going to teach it mostly by rote. And the reason I actually want to show you this is at the bottom, it's a little bit of a fingering chart. That's what we call it when it tells us how to play each note. We're going to play G is thumb 1, 2, 3. Remember the circle on the side is thumb. A, we use the thumb and 1, 2. B is thumb and 1. We did this a lot. We did B, A, G. The beginning of hot cross buns. B, A, G. Then these 2 notes might be new for us. C is thumb, and you're going to actually flip-flop your finger, so it's just middle finger. And then D, you're going to go from that position, and you're going to lift your thumb. It's only your middle finger down, only that second finger. So at the beginning of Jingle Bells is not too tricky. We're using B, thumb in back, 1 finger in front. Notice I'm using light air. And it's nice and light and warm, like I'm going to fog out this mirror or this window right here. And I'm using my tongue to separate the notes. I'm not going. You're more likely to squeak that way. If you just do light air and use your tongue, it's really hard to show. And that will help you separate the notes more cleanly. So we do at the beginning. First 7 notes are all B. Then we're going to try D. So I go from thumb in 1. Then I flip and I only have my middle finger covering the second hole. So I go from here. It's really good. It's a good idea. I'm kind of showing you guys how to do it. I'm trying to make it clear which fingers are down, but it's good if you it's going to be a lot easier to find the right holes on your recorder. You're less likely to miss. Then I'm going to put all of these fingers down for G. I'm going to peel them up from the beginning. Next, we're going to go to C. So C, thumb stays down, but we flip from here to here. Flip your first finger first. So I'm singing in my head. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. the beginning. Second half starts the same as the second half of the first part. That makes sense. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. I'm going to use my right hand to support because I have to go from here to here. Add your thumb, pointer, ring finger. Let's go over that ending one more time. Here we go. C, 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 B, 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 B. D, C, one horse, O, A, G. I go from here, I add thumb. It's kind of like I'm going around my hand. My middle finger stayed down, thumb, do, do. From the beginning. And remember, each part that I explained, you can go back and watch it again. YouTube, it's amazing. Surprisingly easy. I know there's going to be some flipping around. It's going to take lots of practice. Remember, I've been playing music for longer than you've been alive. I learned how to play Jingle Bells on my first instrument when I was about 7 years old. That was over 20 years ago. So be patient with yourself. Know that it might take some time. If you start getting frustrated, take a break, come back again tomorrow. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? This is optional. This is for fun. And I think what I want to do for Recorder Club, because scheduling meetings can be really difficult, especially when I know that you have small group meetings, you're doing early meetings with different reading teachers, your teacher, and maybe with some of our other interventionists. To make it easy, I think I'm going to be posting my recorder videos on YouTube, and you can follow those, you can subscribe, like and subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will share them this way so that you can do them on your own time and you can look back and learn it again. So in honor of the December holidays and in honor of the coming of winter, Jingle Bells is our first song I'm going to teach. I'm going to try and find some new songs. They have to be fairly simple. I can't do anything too crazy, but if you have any suggestions, you can let me know either in chat when I'm on Zoom, or you can send me an email or remind message with your ideas. I have turned off comments, just keep things under control. So that's Jingle Bells on Recorder. When in doubt, sing it in your head. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey!